I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a brake light. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 3157 brake light bulb. Always ensure your truck is off and in park for safety before starting any work. You'll find two retaining screws on the outer edge of the taillight assembly. These are the first things we need to address to begin the process. Now, use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove the two screws you located. Once those are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the truck's body. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it apart. With the taillight assembly free, locate the brake light bulb socket. Twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. Now, simply pull the old 3157 bulb straight out. Take your new 3157 bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it's seated correctly. Now let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Carefully align the taillight assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into the truck's body. Don't forget to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. Test your new brake light to ensure it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.